Hey everybody, Rood here. Welcome to The Walk. Today I wanted to talk about a topic that I find incredibly exciting and interesting, and I hope that you will too, and I hope that you will delve into it, especially if you're an out-of-school time or after-school provider. But hey, regular teachers, you're going to get this one too. I want to talk about informal learning. Now, to start off, to make the distinction, formal learning is what happens in the classroom. It's a preset curriculum. Kids do step by step. They learn this. There's the objectives. Boom, boom, boom. Formal learning. Now, study after study has shown that formal learning creates short-term learning. And if you want to take that short-term learning and transfer it into long-term understanding and digestion of the material, what it is you're learning, you have to couple that formal learning with informal learning. Now, informal learning is what out-of-school time programs do best, because what it is it's the kids, the youth, exploring on their own through play acting, through using blocks, through conversation, through whatever means that they can find to digest the information of the day, to reprove it to themselves, to play with it, to ask questions about it. Informal learning is huge. Now, if you're in after school time, you may want to know, well, how do we facilitate this informal learning? Informal learning is facilitated through the environment. It's facilitated through relationships. That's a huge one. What are your relationships with the kids? Are they having conversations with you? Are the kids having conversations with each other? Do you provide a space for that to happen? And they're also doing informal learning through activities or the environment. We call that the ERE, environment, relationships. The last one is through the experiences, through the activities that you have going on. Those are the three ways that you can strengthen informal learning. If you'd like more info about informal learning, I talk about it a lot in my weekly newsletter. Sign up below, get on the weekly newsletter, and we'll talk to you then. Until then, look up informal learning, see what you can do to make informal learning happen in your program. Thanks for joining me on The Walk. I'm Rood.